In this video, I'm going to show how to reset this Reolink Argus 3. It's pretty simple. As you can see, I have the camera here on my desk and the image here on my cell phone. And I just need a needle like this one or a paper clip. And you can insert on the reset button on the camera, hold for some time. Then you can hear a voice prompt telling you what to do. Sometimes it doesn't have a voice prompt, it just sounds. I don't know why. I reset this camera before. Sometimes there's a voice prompt and sometimes there's not. But either way, you can reset the camera, okay? So let me just show how it works. So you just need to go here to the bottom of the camera and locate this place here where you have the reset button. And then you need the needle for that. You just press here and you're gonna wait for the voice prompt or for the sound. So let me just click and see what comes. In this case, it's just the sound. So sometimes you'll hear a different sound, a voice prompt. And you see that there's this red LED and the camera also starts making a sound like a sonar sound, okay? So let me just put the camera back here and follow the procedure here on my cell phone. So basically, I'm coming back here to the camera and I'm going to delete it because I don't need it anymore. And I need to add the camera again. So I click here to add a new camera. And I just need to scan the QR code. So here we go. Okay, pretty simple. And then I need to click here. Wi-Fi is not configured. Please make sure the camera is powered and turned on. It is, right? Hit next. And here you see, you need to check if you heard the voice prompt. I didn't, but I heard the sound. And I will click here that I heard the voice prompt, right? So let's click next. Here you need to input your password for your Wi-Fi. Let me just put mine here. Here we go, I have the password, then I click next. And here you need to scan the code that you see here on the screen. Okay, now it's the opposite. You just need to use your camera to scan the QR code. So I put about this distance. And you hear the sound and it's good to go. Okay, again, I'm gonna say, hey, I heard this prompt. I've heard this voice prompt. Even if I didn't, at least I heard the sound, right? So I click next. Now it's time to connect to your router. Again, I need to click here and next. And then start connecting your device, okay? So guys, if you hear or not the voice prompt, just keep doing. It's going to work either way, all right? Just wait to connect to your device now. If you get this connection fail, just need to retry. Let me just try again. Let's just hit reconfigure here. And I try this again. Okay, so next. The password again, probably I made a mistake here with the password. Let me try again. Here we go with the password. I'm just hit next again. And scan again. That happens sometimes. You just need to go over it again. Here we go. The sound again. Click here. I have heard the voice prompt. And next. Again and next. And here you go. Now it's working. So the first time I got the password wrong for my Wi-Fi. Okay, I tried again and it's working now. I just need to create a device password. Let me just type it here. Okay, so here you go. I need to type twice and to confirm. Click next. Name your device. Here we go. I gave the device a name. Click next. Here's some information about the battery, things like that. You just hit next again. And you can save your QR code and finish. And it's basically working. Let me just come back here to the camera, click here and wait for the camera to load, and it's working. Okay, so pretty simple. Just try again. If you like input the wrong password, you can just try again. If you hear or not a voice prompt, doesn't make a difference. It works either way. Okay, so that's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, leave your thumbs up and your comments. See you in the next one.